my name's Michael. I'm the Principal Chiropractor here at Chichester Chiropractic Health Centre. So what I'm going to show you today is one of my favourite stretches called Cat and Cow. Now this is a very good yoga style stretch that helps to get mobility through the neck, through the shoulders, through the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, into the hips. It really helps to get the whole of the spine moving a little bit better without putting any real undue stress or pressure onto it. And everyone can find at least a basic version of this that will work for them. Now, if when doing these stretches, however, you do find it is uncomfortable, just go a little bit more gentle. If you cannot, for whatever reason, find a comfortable way of doing this, please stop. Let the chiropractor know at the next appointment. They will work out why, and then give you something that's more appropriate for you going forwards. Otherwise, let's get to this one. Okay, so here I'm going to show you a stretch called Cat and Cow. This stretch gets good movement throughout the spine. For this, you're going to start onto all fours. Now, ideally, this is going to be hands and wrists directly below the shoulders, and knees as close as directly below the hips as is comfortable for you. Now for some, this can be uncomfortable for the knees, so you can put some cushions or pillows under here just to make that a little bit more comfortable. From this position, what we're going to do is, as you take a deep breath in, you're going to barrel the chest, you're going to push your back up towards the ceiling, tucking that tailbone under, tucking the chin under. Then as you breathe out, you're going in the other direction. So you're dropping the belly, dropping the chest towards the floor, bringing that tailbone, pushing it up to the ceiling, bringing the head looking up towards the ceiling. Then you hold there for a couple of seconds, and we're going back in the other direction. Taking a deep breath in. Pushing all the way through, and then breathing out. Now, obviously you want to take all those positions as far as is comfortable and listen to your body. Let's say for you, as you drop bring the tailbone up to the ceiling and drop the lower back in. If that pinches in your lower back, just don't go that far. If when you look up, it causes any pinching in the neck, do the rest of the movement with the spine, but keep the head more level. So you can adjust and adapt this. And for some, it's really small movements, just little movements to get that nice kind of flow back through the spine. You can also add little kind of wiggles to the pelvis in between, just to stretch out your obliques and stretch out your QLs and get nice movement through the whole core area. Now, the amount of those to do really does vary on a case-by-case basis. I personally like to spend at least 2 minutes going through these motions. You'll find for that first 30 seconds to a minute, things will probably be quite tight, quite stiff. You don't feel you've got a huge amount of movement there, but that repetition, both through those 2 minutes, but also day after day, week after week, month after month, you'll really start to notice significant differences in the mobility and the motion that you can achieve with this stretch, and just how good you feel day to day. This is a really good movement for helping encourage a healing and improvement of function within the spine. If it causes you any pain, any discomfort, try backing off, do really little movements. If that still doesn't feel good, let your chiropractor know, and obviously they'll give you something more appropriate. Otherwise, get to the stretch and enjoy it.